Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If your iPhone Bluetooth keeps spinning, loading, or pairing issue, or Bluetooth keep disconnecting, then keep watching this video until the end, cause today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth issue in iPhone after the latest update of iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to go to settings, then tap on Bluetooth and disconnect all the devices that you are connected with your Bluetooth. Then turn off Bluetooth, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If still presents, then what we have to do, we have to launch settings, then tap general and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Here we have to tap on reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now what we have to do, we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. After that, we have to go back to general and just make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. And just for a suggestion, we have to go back to general, tap on background app refresh, tap again background app refresh, and turn off background app refresh. That's it. With these simple and easy steps, you will get rid of Bluetooth issues in latest iOS version. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.